Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I want to show you how you can create your WordPress website on your local computer. So if you want to build a website or an e-commerce store with WordPress and WooCommerce or WooCommerce, and then you have the option to build the whole website, the whole e-commerce store on your local computer. And if you don't want to buy a domain name yet or buy hosting yet, and you want to first build and test your website on your local machine, then yeah, this video is perfect for you, because I will show you everything, how everything works, how you can install WordPress on your local computer, how you can design your website, and then of course I will show you later on when your website is finished, or when you feel like you want to publish your website, you want to make your website live, then I will show you how you can copy all the WordPress files and the database from your local computer, from your PC or your Mac or your Linux computer to yeah, to your live domain name and to your hosting. So, and for this we are using a software called LocalWP. The website name is localwp.com. I will put the link to this website where you can download the software in the video description down below. And yeah, this software is completely free. So all you have to do is go to the download button, and then you can choose which platform you have. For example, you have a Windows computer, you have a Mac computer or a Linux computer. Then you can simply click on download and download the software and install the software on your computer, and then yeah, you can run the software. So the software is completely free. You can use all functions of WordPress. You are not limited. You can install every plugin, every theme you want, and you can play around with it. It's a really cool software for developing websites and e-commerce store on your local PC. So yeah, I already have downloaded the software and installed on my Mac. So let me show you how this works. So it's really easy. So now you can see this is the dashboard of the software. Here you can see I have one website here live, but I will show you how you can create a new one. And all you have to do when you install the software, then you see on the left side on the bottom you see this plus icon, add local site, and when you click on the plus button, then you can see create a new website or create from a blueprint. So we want to create, or you can even upload a zip file if you want, but we want to create a completely new website on our computer. So then we are choosing create a new site, and then we are clicking on continue. And now we can name our website. We can name it whatever we want. So this doesn't matter what name you choose. It's only for you. You can choose the website name later on, of course, and you don't have to stick with the name. For example, I will name this website test website, for example. And also you have some advanced options, but you don't have to bother with this. So you can see the domain name, but it's completely not relevant, and the path where the data are saved, but you don't have to change this. So then we click on continue, and now you can see we can choose our environment. So from preferred, and this is for the normal WordPress installation, or custom. Here you can choose a different PHP version, web server version, and a different database version, but we don't need this. So in this case, we are going with preferred, and then you can see we are using PHP 8.1 and yeah, a MySQL of 8.0. And then we click on continue. So now we can choose a WordPress username. This is really important. I will go with admin and the WordPress password. So better choose a more secure password. Let me real quick. So, and make sure to save this, because this is really important. Yeah, write it down or save it on your computer. So the WordPress username and the WordPress password, because yeah, this is really important. And here you can put in an email address. Yeah, better put in your real email address. Then you have some advanced options, but we don't want this. Okay, that's it for now. So then we click on add site, and now now our WordPress website get installed. So the software, the WordPress software, will get installed on our website. This takes a while, and I have to put in my password to allow this installation. Okay, now everything get installed. We are creating, or this program creating, the WordPress database. Like I said, install the WordPress software, install themes, plugins, and all the necessary files on our system. And of course, this takes a while, so or a few minutes, and I will be back when the installation is finished. Okay, now the installation process of our WordPress website is ready, and if you see this site groups are here, then you can simply ignore this or X this out, so we don't need this. And so that's now you have a running WordPress version. You can see the overview tab here. Here are some important information, and like your PHP version, the database version, and so on and so on. Here you can see the database and the tools, but that's not so interesting. Okay, then we can simply, you can see the button here, WP admin. So when we click here, then the website, our new WordPress website, will get open in a new tab on our browser. Then we put in our WordPress credentials that we are set up earlier. In my case, it was admin and the password, and then you can click on Remember Me and log in. So, and now you can see. Now you can see, you have a fully running WordPress website. So this WordPress website is of course not visible to anyone because it's not in the internet, it's not live. It's only visible to you because this website is only installed on your computer. And now you are on the backend of your WordPress website. So this is the WordPress backend, and if you go here to your website name and you hover over the website name, and then you can see a new field called visit site. If you, for example, right click and open a new tab, then you can see the front end of your website, and this is what our website looks like right now. And you can see there's only demo content, of course. But you can see the website is working, the buttons are working, images are working, everything is good. Then we go back to the backend, and now we have to make some settings here. So you can see on the left side here is your main menu. Here you have the dashboard, posts. This is where all your blog posts are stored. So if you want to create a blog or want to write blog posts, then you can do this here. Media, here's your media library. Every image on your website is stored here. You can upload images or videos here. Pages. Let's click on pages here. Here you can see are all the web pages stored. A privacy policy that's currently in draft mode. And here you can see the sample page. This is the front page we saw earlier. So then comments. If somebody comment under your blog post, you could see this here. Then we have appearance. This is important, appearance, and here you can see themes. So here we will install our theme. Plugins. Let's click on plugins. Here are later on are all our plugins that we are using in this tutorial. And user, here are all the WordPress user, but currently there's only one user. It's me. It's admin and my email address. So you don't have to do anything here. Under tools, it's nothing too important here, but now we go to settings, and when we hover over settings, then you can see here's a new menu that pops out. So then we click on general, on the general tab, and here you can see the site title. You can change it if you want. but you don't have to, of course. You can do it later. Here's the WordPress URL. This is everything good. We don't have to change anything here. Yeah, everything is good. Make sure that it's set to your language. So if you are in the United States, then of course make it to English United States. If you are in Spain, for example, then make it Spanish and Spain. And yeah. Then we go to writing. There is nothing we have to change. Reading. Under reading, make sure that here you can see search engine visibility. Make sure this field is not checked. So when this field is checked, then you discourage all search engines like Google, Bing, etc. From indexing your site. So make sure this is not, or make sure this is unchecked. And yeah, then next is discussion. We don't need this. And here is the most important thing we have to change. So under permalinks, when we click on permalinks, oh, it's already done. So from time to time it is set to plain. Then your website, your URL structure will look like this. Your domain name, company.com, and then this strange ending, but we don't want this. We want to have post name like it is here selected. So make sure that post name is selected, and then if you select this, then click on save changes and everything is good. So okay, now then I want to show you how you install your first theme. So a theme is the design, the layout of your website, and we are choosing a theme. I show you a really good theme, a good starter theme, where you can where you have a start. You don't have to do everything from scratch, and I will show you this. So for this we go to appearance and then on themes. And here you can see we already have 3 themes installed. This is active right now, 2024, 2023, 2022. These are all the WordPress standard themes. Later on we have to delete them, but now we want to choose a really good one. Let's click on Add New Theme. And we want to change. We want to select the Astra theme. If you don't see it, then simply go to the search bar here and search for Astra. It's this theme. Then we hover over the theme, over the Astra theme, and then we click on install. And now this theme will get downloaded onto our local computer on our local website and will get installed there. And later on we can choose a pre-made layout. We can choose everything, a personal website, a company website, an e-commerce store, everything you want to have. So now you can see yeah, everything you need. Then now you can see the theme is installed, and now we can click on activate to activate our theme. And here you can see now we have a new banner here. Get started with ready-made template, and this is exactly what we want. So then you can see this button here, install starter templates, and we click on this. Now yeah, we are installing these starter templates on our machine. Now it's getting activated. This takes a little while. Okay, perfect. And now we are on a new window, how we want to build your website, classic starter template or AI website builder. So yeah, I'm not a friend of AI website building. Let's go with classic starter templates. Select this and click on the button build with templates. Now we have to choose our preferred page builder. They have 3 different page builder we can choose from. So the WordPress blog editor, Elementor, and Beaver builder. And I am personally a fan of Elementor. If you want to build your website, your new website with the WordPress blog builder, then do this, or Beaver builder. But for now, I think it's the easiest page builder. So we go with Elementor. We click on Elementor here, and then now you can see all the starter templates we can install. And this is exactly what our website later on will look like. And this is really good because we are downloading all the images, all the layout, all the files, and so that we don't have to start from scratch, that we have to something there, but because personally I hated to build everything from scratch when you have a blank page in front of you. So of course we can change everything later on, we can customize everything, but with these starter templates we have something to start with. We don't have to start from complete scratch. We have something to start with, and they have a ton of pre-built websites. You can see all these websites, layouts, designs are free, and also they have some premium templates. When you want to have this, then you have to pay for this, but for now we are going with a free one. I think they have a lot of really good looking pre-made templates here. They have normal website templates, they have e-commerce sites, they have business sites. You can see here the categories: business, local business, personal care, professional websites, personal sites, community websites, e-commerce store, or blogs. If you want to build a blog, then you can go with one of them. But let's choose one here real quick. So it's pretty hard because there are so much to choose from. And it's pretty hard to choose the right website. So, but now I think I will go with this website, this template. Of course, if you like another website more, then go with this. The process is almost the same because we are creating the website with Elementor, and this is everything the same. Or let's go with this, for example, roofing agency. Then you can click on the website, on the template, and now the template will load on our, there it is. And here you can see we could upload a logo. If we have a logo already, then we can upload it here, change the size of the logo, but right now I don't have a logo ready. So then you can see all sites that we get. We will get the homepage here, and of course everything is customizable. We can change things, we can add things, we can delete things. You can see even we get a contact form. This is really good. We get a nice looking footer. And we get also all the other sites, about us page, we get a service page, we get a project, contact us page, and of course we can add more and more pages or customize the header section. But it's completely free. It's only that we don't have to start from scratch. This is why we are going with this Astra pre-made themes. So then if you found your preferred theme, then we click on skip and continue, because I don't have a logo. We can add a logo later on. Then I click on skip and continue, and here now we can choose the color scheme of the website. Now you can see all the buttons are this reddish color here, these reddish accent colors. If you don't like it, if you want to go with another color, then you can choose it from the menu here. If you want to go with the green accent color, then we can do this. I think green looks good. And also here you can choose or change the fonts for your website. This is Rubik and Kala are the standard font. Are the standard fonts for this website. Of course, you can choose you can change the font if you don't like it. Simply click here and find the right font for your website. I think Montserrat Lato is good. Then we click on continue. You don't have to fill this out, but make sure that these boxes are all checked, because here you can see import customizer settings. This is really important. Import all widgets. We need this. Then import content for your website. Install required plugins. Of course, we want to have this. Share non-sensitive data. You can leave it on or off. I toggle it off for now. Then click on submit and build my website. And now your completely website gets built. All the images and all the content is getting installed on your new website. All the pages are gonna be built for you. So of course this takes a few minutes, and I will be back when the installation process is finished. Okay, great. Now the installation process is finished, and here you can see congratulations, everything is good, built in 1.7 minutes, perfect. Then you can click on view your website. And now a new window will open, and now you can see, yeah, this exact website layout is installed on our local machine, on our new website, and now we have something to start with. So then let's go back here, and now you can click on this X icon, exit to dashboard. Then we will go back to our dashboard. And now let's go to the pages tab here. When we click on pages, now we can see all our pages that are currently installed. You can see about us page, the contact us page, the home page, privacy policy is still in draft, projects side, sample side, and it's not active, and service side. So okay, great. And yeah, now we can start customizing the website. So for example, when we want to start customizing the front page, I will show you how you can customize the front page. I don't want to give you a complete Elementor tutorial here, so if you want to see everything how Elementor works, please go to my channel. I have a fully dedicated video about how Elementor works, the Elementor basics, and I will show you real quick how this works. So you can see, for example, on the home page, home is the title, you can see front page, and behind this is Elementor. On almost every page is Elementor. That means when here stands Elementor, that means this specific page is built with Elementor, with the page builder Elementor. And when we hover over this, then we can see a menu here, edit, quick edit, trash, view, or edit with Elementor. So we want to edit this website, this page with Elementor. Then we hover over edit with Elementor, right click and open in a new tab. And now the Elementor page builder will get open in a new tab. And this takes a while because yeah, it's a program. So, and here you can see your welcome messages. We can simply X this away, navigator X this away. And yeah, so now we are in the Elementor page builder, and I will show you real quick what you can do with this. So here you can see all the widgets on the left side. Here's your widget menu, layout, container widget. You have the basics, heading, image, text editor, videos. So there are hundreds of Elementor widgets. So there's for every situation, for every need is a widget there. So no matter what you want to do on your website, you can do it with Elementor, because yeah, there are so many widgets. And also you can, if you have a special or if you want to have a special function on your website, there are so many plugins that will add it to the Elementor page builder program. So, and here you can see Pro. We don't have Pro. You can see there's a lock. This is the Pro version of Elementor. We don't have installed the Pro version of Elementor. This is then here's a lock, so we can simply close this. And here's the general. Under the general tab, we can see here are even more widgets: image box, icon box, image carousel, a gallery, list, countdown, progress bar, and so on and so on. HTML, everything. Yeah, then if you want, for example, if you want to change the heading here of the website, then simply go. If you want to change anything on this website, then you can see when I go with my mouse pointer over the element, you can see how the elements are reacting to my mouse pointer. So this means when I want to change this, I simply click on the specific widget, and then you can see this edit thingy will open on the left side. So this means we edit we can edit everything here. We can write something here, and yeah, this is for every element, even for button. When you click on the button, then the button edit menu will open on the left side. You can see you can change the text. It don't have to be numbers. Click here, for example, and then here you can input the link where this button should lead to. And if you go, if you see on the top here these 9 little dots, if you click on the 9 little dots, then you will go back to the main widget menu. And yeah, the same goes for all the images. You can click on the image, and here you can see, and then you can click on choose image. You can upload an image from your computer. You can visit the media library, your media library. Every image that is currently on your website is stored here. Or you can choose a free image. So this is the WordPress free image library. It's powered by Pixabay, and these are all stock images. You can use them if you want to. They have thousands and thousands of free images. Simply go here. If you like the tiger, then click here and download the tiger image and insert it. Of course, you can change the size of the image. You can make it medium, or here you can see custom sizing. And yeah, then the same goes here. If you want to change the text, simply click on it, and then the menu or the edit menu for this text section will open. You can edit it. And let's go back. For example, if you want to have an image underneath here, for example, then simply go to the widgets, and this is all drag and drop. Simply grab the image and put it wherever you want to have it. And now you can see we have here a filler image. We can go on the left side, choose image. Then of course we have now the option to choose an image of our media library, upload from our computer, or choose another free image, but I don't want to do it. And if you made a mistake, if you don't want to have this, then you can see if you hover over the specific element, this goes for every element, and then you can see you have this little pencil icon here, and if you right click on this pencil icon, then there's a menu. You can edit the image, duplicate the image, copy, paste it, or you can delete it, and then here you can delete it. And another great thing about Elementor I want to show you real quick. So for example, this was a mistake. I messed up, I deleted the image, or if you have made some changes and don't know what you've done to your website, don't know how you undo it, then you can go simply on the left side, on the bottom left side, you can see a history. When you click on history here, Elementor records every step you made on your website. So if you added an image, if you delete something, so on and so on, everything is recorded. And here you can go backwards in the history, or even go forward in the history. So let's say this was a huge mistake that I deleted the image, and I can go simply back in the history, and now this image thingy is there, or I can go forward, and yeah, you know what I mean. So, and another thing is, for example, this large image here in the background. You can see all this is built with these containers. Simply go to the container menu, these six little dots. And you can see layout here. You can adjust the width or the height of this container. And when we go to style, then you can see background, and here you can see the background image. So simply click on it, you can change it, you can upload a new image, and so on and so on. So for example, if we want to choose okay, let's leave this image, but you get the idea. And this goes for every container. So in Elementor, everything is built with these containers. And yeah, so then you can play around with it and customize your website to your likings. Yeah, Elementor is really good, but for now, let's close this here. So click on one thing I want to show you. So if you made changes to your website, then these changes are not live. These changes are only live if you're clicking on the update button. So you can see, I think my face is on the button, my camera is on the button. So on the far left down, you can see the update button. So if you click on the update button, then all changes are live, are saved, and yeah. So as long as you don't click on the update button, nothing, no change are saved, and everything is good. So then let's leave this here, leave this. Okay, and yeah, so now I want to show you another thing. So when we go to plugins, install plugins, and here you can see all the plugins that are currently installed on our website. So yeah, I want to show you how you can export. Now I want to show you how you can export your website, and when your website, let's say your website or your e-commerce store is ready and you made all the changes, your website looks perfect, then of course you want to export your website and put it on your real domain name, on your real hosting. Then I want to show you this. So for this we need a new plugin. Then we go to add new plugins, click on add new plugins, and then we want to go to the search bar. Here you can see the search bar, search plugins. So we want to search for Updraft Plus. Updraft Plus is the name of the plugin. Here you can see Updraft Plus WordPress Backup and Migration plugin. So then we go to install now. And now this plugin will get installed. This takes a while, of course, because yeah, we have to download this plugin to our computer, and yeah, because our website is hosted on our machine, on our local machine, and not on the internet. Yeah, now it's installed. Then we click on activate. And here you can see Updraft Plus settings, press here to start, and then we click on press here to start. We can close this. So now you can see we have an we have a backup button here right now. This is really important. So we simply have to go to backup now. Then we click on the backup now button. But of course, if you are ready with your website, if your website looks good and you want to move your website to the real hosting, to the real domain, then you will do this. Simply click on backup now. Then the plugin will make a complete backup of your website, of all the files, all the images, the database and everything, and this will get stored on your computer. And then when you later you have to, of course, get a domain name and get hosting. And then you will install a fresh WordPress version on your new website, on your new hosting. And then you will install the same plugin, this Updraft Plus plugin, and you will upload the files from the backup files from this installation to your new live WordPress website. So, and let's say we have some files here, then we can go here, upload backup files, and then we can upload our backup files from this computer, from this website to our live domain. And this means, and then we can click on restore, and everything is restored on our live domain. So this is, yeah, it sounds a little bit complicated, but it's not that complicated because, yeah, these are, I think, 4 or 5 different files we have to upload on our real website. Simply, first of all, we go to here our test environment, make the backup, download the files, and then we upload the files on the real website, the new WordPress installation, and then everything will get restored. And then yeah, on the live website, everything will look like on your website that you created on your local machine. I hope you understand it. And yeah, so I will also put a link to a really good hosting company in the video description. If you are searching for a good hosting company where you get affordable hosting and get affordable domain names, of course you need a good hosting and you need a domain name. company.com and hosting, where you can put all your files and install WordPress. I will put it in the video description down below. Make sure to check it out. I use it all the time. Yeah, so I think that's it for the video. So I want to show you, if you want to see a full video, full explainer tutorial video on how to use Elementor, how take a deep dive into how WordPress works, then please go to my YouTube channel. There you find a ton of videos talking about WordPress and Elementor, and you find a ton of tutorial videos where I show you exactly how everything works. In this tutorial I only want to show you how you can build your website on your local computer and then transfer it to a real live domain and live hosting. And this is how you do it. You can build your personal website, your company website, your e-commerce store. You can also, of course, you can add products here. Make your new e-commerce store here on your local computer without paying for a domain, paying for hosting. Make everything here, and then later back up everything and import it to your live WordPress website. Yeah. So, and I think that's it for now. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments down below, and I will try to answer everything as fast as I can. And I will put, of course, all the links, the link of the software in the video description, and I put my hosting recommendation also in the video description. If you want to have a reliable hosting company and a good domain name for affordable pricing, then make sure to check it out. Of course, if you have another hosting, it works with every hosting company, but make sure that you are able to install WordPress on this hosting company. And yeah, so I think that's it for now. If you found this video informative, then make sure to press the like button, the thumbs up button, and also I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will publish more and more helpful videos about e-commerce, web development and SEO and all the good stuff. So then thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.